Copilot in Excel is useless. That's what everybody thinks, but let me show you in this video that this is totally wrong. And for this, I'm going to show you 3 use cases. Let's start. In this first use case, I'm going to analyze the cost by department and make a dashboard for my next meeting. Normally, this will take me hours. Let's see how Copilot can do it for us, and let's see if the quality is good. Here you can see that I have the cost by department, and I have also the cost by type of cost and category with the comparison of this year and last year. I also have the detail on headcounts, and I have a pivot table here. So how do I use Copilot? So here on the bottom right, you see we have the Copilot logo. I'm going to click on it, and here I'm going to choose Allow Editing. Then you have the possibility to choose any of these models. You can choose Claude Opus 4.7 is one of the best, especially with Excel. And now I'm going to prompt. I'm explaining that I am an FP&A manager for a manufacturing company. I want to build this cost analysis by department, and I want to create a dashboard on this. Then I explain what type of dashboard I want for the style, but also the type of analysis I want. And then I ask to build this as the best Excel dashboard specialist. Now let's launch it and let's see the results. You see, it's already creating a new tab called dashboard, and I'm not doing anything. I'm not touching the Excel file. Now it starts showing some of the key figures at the top, and I have now my first table. I can already go inside and check everything has formulas, which is a big advancement because before it was always hard-coded. And like this, I can audit if the result is correct. So I have my 2 tables, cost analysis by department, cost analysis by category. I also have a conditional formatting highlighting the problems. In the bottom, I have a heat map, and now Copilot just started adding the graphs. And you can see when I click on the graph, all of this is linked to data. Those are real graphs, not pictures. After a few minutes, the dashboard is created. I have my KPIs at the top, I have the cost analysis by department, by category, the heat map, and the different graphs. Imagine how long you will have needed to build this dashboard. This was done in a few minutes with Copilot. Everything with formulas, everything also color-coded, everything also with conditional formatting. This is really now in 2026 a big advancement, and if you and your team are still not using AI in Excel, you have to change. If you like this type of tips, I'm running a masterclass this Tuesday. Check the link below to join. It's free. It's for CFOs and finance leaders, and I will show you this type of tips. Let me show you another example to continue to convince you that Copilot in Excel is much better than what you think. Let's imagine you want to build a financial model for a SaaS company. You never did it, you don't have any template. It will take you a long time to build a 24-month financial model on the revenue forecasting for this SaaS company. But not anymore, now that Copilot in Excel is performing like a good expert in Excel. I will click again on the bottom right on Copilot. I will choose Allow Editing. Here I will use Claude Opus 4.7 again, and I will start prompting. I will say to create a financial model for a software company, and then I will explain that I want this model on 3 solutions: Standard, Premium, and Gold. And for each of them, I explain the pricing model. And because I don't have data yet, you can ask Copilot to start with dummy data, and I ask to do it over 24 months. So I enter my prompt, I launch it, and then it already publish the assumptions. So I have here, you can see the standard, the premium, the gold, and I have the quantity. Then Copilot is building the 24 month. And first we have the quantity, but also below we have the revenue with all of the calculations. And finally, we have the graphs built by Copilot. And I'm quite blown away because it took a few minutes to create this. This is really amazing to build this model so fast. I'm going to check now, but everything seems to make sense. The growth also has no problem. So now I need to check the model. But let me give you a trick, because I see so many people trying to review this manually. While AI is there just at the tip of your finger and can do an extra work. I'm going to prompt and ask now, add 1 tab doing the audit of this model to make sure that there is no error in formulas or no inconsistencies. And here it is. I have the tab just arrived, the audit tab, and you can see that it has the result from the model and the recalculation. And now that you have done this, so we see we have no problem, now you can do your own review. Or you can ask again AI to help you, maybe by building another model to compare if the 2 models are working. So you see, in a few minutes, we can create a model from scratch that you can either change manually or change with AI. You saw that I also got the graphs that I needed. Let me show you another use case. And here we are going to talk about how to clean data with Excel using Copilot. So imagine you probably have this, that you have tons of Excel files that you have to consolidate, you have to clean before you can even analyze. Here, I have bank statements, and where each of the bank statements is kind of nasty because I don't need all of these columns, I don't need all of the lines that are at the beginning. I will only keep a few columns. And if I have to do that tab by tab and then consolidate all of the tabs, it would take me hours. But now let's see if I ask Copilot to do it for me. I'm going to prompt again inside Copilot. Can you consolidate all the tabs into one? Just keep the column C, D, E, and then I explain the rest of the cleaning. But really important, I ask at the end to create an analysis of spend by cardholder. And also I want an analysis by day. And I want the pivot tables to be able to analyze them. Let's see what is going to happen. So it already created a consolidated tab, and because I asked for an audit as well, I have the audit showing that the consolidated tab and the single tabs are the same. The audit shows me that there is no difference. Then I have the analysis showing the spend by cardholder, the spend by day, and also the graphs corresponding to it. And finally, I have a pivot analysis tab plus a cross tab, which are helping me if I want to do further analysis. And this took only a few minutes. And I have everything checked as well because thanks to the audit tab and because I have pivot tables, everything is linked. And this is really here a big advancement because I know so many of you are still doing that manually. But in 2026, you and your team should never do that manually anymore. You should first delegate to AI, ask AI to review, and then you review yourself because you still need to own it. But imagine the time you are going to save. It's actually doing better and prettier analysis than you because it has here a better model behind, and those models will continue to evolve. So imagine what it will be in the next month. I have plenty of other videos on Copilot for finance. Check them. You will see you will learn a lot. And don't forget, robots are coming, so stay human. See ya!